Alright, so we got the empty lots are on this side of the street. And it looks like it's about maybe 10 lots that are empty on this side. But on the opposite side, you have houses that are already built. And I'm going to go down just a little bit further. And right. And then you have, so the empty lot that is 11027 is right in that general area. And as you see, there's houses on the next street behind that lot. And then here you have a few other lots. And this lot here, it seems like someone has it for sale. And the same is true for this corner lot. This corner lot is for sale, and this is the corner of Shadow Creek and Shadow Creek Avenue and Shadow Creek Terrace.